Hello, precious souls, and welcome back to my soul protection channel. I'm so glad you're here. We're going to talk about energy today and the three ways that your energy can be drained. So, have you ever had a time where your day wasn't that hard, but you were just done by the end of the day? Or certain places that made you feel drained, or certain relationships that felt really draining to you. So energy drains are real. Sometimes they can be subtle, sometimes they can be kind of intense. And I'm going to go through three ways that your energy can be drained. But before I do that, you know the usual: like, comment, or subscribe. Feel free to share this channel with somebody who might benefit from it if you want to. Okay, let's get into it. So there's three ways that you can experience energy drain. And the first one is from people, from relationships. Sometimes cords can be developed, can be attached to you from other people. And those cords are a drain on your energy. In soul protection, one of the things the angels can do is to remove those cords. Also, they can adjust the cord between parent and child. There should be cords between parents and children until the children are adults. Sometimes those cords remain after they're adults, and those can be removed in the soul protection process. And that can help restore energy to both parties, to the parent and the child, and just make sure that the energy is more in balance. The second way you can experience energy drain is from places. I am sure you've had the experience of going places that felt kind of heavy and dense. The energy felt really dense there. So that's one way you can experience energy drain. One of the things we address in soul protection is your domain. So as my client, I would be asking your angels, if there was anything in your domain, and that means your home, your property, your vehicle, if there's anything there that shouldn't be there. If you have low frequency energy, that's a drain. Also portals. I don't know if you saw my other video on closing a portal, but sometimes homes or properties can have portals, and that's where low frequency energy can come and go as it pleases. And the presence of portals can be really draining on your field and on your aura too. So it's a big deal to make sure that your domain is free from that. So we have people, we have places, and then the third way is an internal drain on energy. It's really important. We're energetic beings, so it's really important that you maintain good energy hygiene. And there's ways you can do that by playing sacred music, by having a home that feels good to you, making sure your spaces are functional and clean and cleared of clutter. Also, you can make sure that your space gets light. Sunlight is so good. It's good for our energy too. And just making your space comfortable and positive. Also, being careful about the kinds of things you watch on television. Like, images are very powerful for us humans, and you could be checking in with your God squad, your spirit team, about whether or not something you're going to watch is going to raise or lower your vibration. And that's going to vary from person to person. Some people are more sensitive than others. But maintaining good energy hygiene is also about drinking water, nourishing the body, moving the body, and noticing your thoughts. And if your thoughts are tending toward the negative, maybe making a shift to neutral or even a better feeling thought. All of those are ways to keep your internal energy more positive and for you to feel less drained. Also, joy. Joy is so important. Joy is powerful. Find what brings you joy and do that. That is so, so good. Soul protection is about addressing the cords, addressing your domain, and also offering you suggestions about how you can keep your personal energy powerful. And I look forward to hearing from you. Um, if you want to comment, like, subscribe, share, any of those. And if you have questions about soul protection or think I might be able to be helpful to you, feel free to pop over to my website, drthaedafranz.com. I would be happy to answer any questions that you have. Grace and peace to you.